Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to build Elementor website using Cursor AI tool. Here you can go and type Cursor AI, then you can open this website, this one. After that you can get the application. Simply you can click on get started. Also you can see on the top pricing. Then here you can see different packages. So just for now we are going to start this one for the practice. Select this one and after that click this button. Okay, now application is starting. Now after that you need to install the application. So I have installed. Now I can open it, this one. And now we need to create a free account. Click here sign up button. Continue to sign up. And then you can easily create your account with Google, with GitHub, Apple, and just manually you can enter your details. So just I can add enable. After that here you can add your email. Then click here continue button. Then select this one, continue with email code. Now let me go back. Here you can see this one is one-time code, just we need to add. Add the code here. Click here skip button. Then click continue. Click here this one. Then yes, login. Now account is ready. Let's go back. Here you can see cursor account is created. Now click on settings. Scroll down. Tools and MCPs. Then scroll down. So here we need to add the MCP details. Now we need to go back. This one is demo website that we are going to use. Now I can add wp-admin, then login into the website. Now we need to install the MCP plugin. Before that I want to install the theme. You can install Elementor friendly themes. So let me install this one. This one is most popular WordPress theme. You can create different type of websites. Now we need to install the plugin. Here you can search for Elementor. Then install the plugin. You can get the Elementor Pro from here. So this one is the official website. This one. You can also go with Elementor free variant, but I have a zip file for the Elementor Pro. Now I can upload the plugin. Let me go and search for that plugin file, this one. Then add it. Click install button. Plugin is installed. Now click on activate button. Now let's go back Elementor, then settings. After that, here you can find out this one, atomic editor. You can deactivate this one. Okay, after that go to features, scroll down. Here you can activate the container, then performance, optimize image loading, so you can disable this one, lazy load, disable this one, cache 1 hour, then save changes. Go to advanced tab, enable unfiltered file uploads, enable this one, then font support, yes this one, then click save changes. Okay, everything is fine. Now let's go back to the theme customizer. Here you can find out different options. Click here global, then container. So this one is selected, boxed layout. You can select this one, full width. Okay, here you can select the container maximum width. After that click publish button. That's done. Now we need to install the 2 plugins to enable MCP. Here you can go and search for WordPress MCP adapter, this one. Then you can find this plugin on this website github.com. Scroll down, click here this button, releases, then scroll down. Here you can find out zip file, this one, get it. Now again you can search for Elementor MCP adapter. Then again you need to do the same process to get another file. Click here this one, then scroll down. You need to get this one, EMCP tools. Now we have these 2 files. We have installed the Elementor plugin. Now we need to install the 2 plugins. Let's go back to the settings, then install the plugin, upload the plugin file. Now select the plugin. Before that I want to install another plugin. This one. Click activate plugin, then again click add plugin, upload plugin, then select another plugin, click install button. Then click here activate the plugin. Okay, that's done. Then click here skip button. After that click here connection, then scroll down. You need to generate the password and configuration. So this one is application password, this one is the username. So you need to save this password. So just I can add it here. And after that here you can see these are the different AI tools and platforms that you can choose. Let me select this one. After that click here copy button, then add custom MCP. Then after that I can expand it, then remove this one, then add the code here, click on 3 dots, then save the file. Okay, now let's go back. Now I can ask Elementor just add the question mark. Okay, that's fine. This one is the website that is connected. Now let me type create Elementor slider with 2 slides, full width with high converting background images. On this page, press enter, and now I have asked Cursor AI to create this slider. Here you can see this one is the slider with 2 slides, so you can easily edit. Here you can see, just you can click any of the slide. So after that you can add your own text.